No doubt earning money isn't easy, and earning an income of $1,500 a day is even more challenging. Money is every human's basic need, which is why everyone is working so hard to earn some. If you're working a job but you're unsatisfied with it, then why not start your own business? When you're running your own business, you would never have to listen to anyone but yourself. You can run your business how you want to. The ideal business should have minimum investment costs and huge profits. Luckily, there are many business ideas you can consider to make $1,500 per day. Let's discuss 7 business ideas through which you can start earning $1,500 per day. Number 1. Content writing. If you are a student or someone with great language and writing skills, content writing is an amazing profession to consider. Content is a mandatory need for the internet. That is why many people and companies are offering job posts for content writers to write engaging, informative, or promotional articles for them. As a beginner, you can expect to be paid around $50 per article. The more experience you gain, the more you can charge. Many experienced writers are earning around $150 per article. Of course, the value of the article depends on the length and quality, so the amount can vary from time to time. If you aren't willing to work a job as a content writer, then don't worry. You can also choose to be a freelance writer. In freelance writing, you aren't paid on a weekly or a monthly basis like an other kind of job, but you usually get paid according to the project. Clients will directly come to you, so there won't be any need to search for them yourselves. You can just sit back until you receive an order, and when you get one, you can start working according to your time. You can accomplish freelance writing entirely from your home. You can offer your services on big freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, for example. If you have knowledge about website designing and management, you can also choose to start your own blog site. The earning method of blogging is very different from other forms of earning through writing. When you first start working on your blog site, you'll only be expected to be paid mere pennies. But as your site continues to grow, your earnings will stack up exponentially. The earning potential of blogging is very big. Your blog site is a passive source of income, but it is important to constantly add new blog posts to keep your site fresh and relevant to your audience. Number 2. Web development. For any successful business, having a website is very important. Creating a website will allow anyone's business to grow bigger than ever. But so many businesses still don't have a website. This is a golden chance for anyone who knows web development and management skills to work for such companies and earn some serious cash. Web developers are paid an enormous amount of money for their tasks. For a basic website, you can easily charge $1,000, but for big websites, you'll be able to grab quite a large sum of money. Designing a website should be no big deal for any professional web developer, and the huge paychecks make web development one of the most attractive business ideas. You can also design your own websites, row them, and then put them for auction and see where the final price ends up being. Number 3. Home repairing. Many problems can arise in homes, which leads to money-making opportunities. Whether it is a faucet leak or a damaged roof, people who don't know how to fix such problems are willing to pay good money to anyone who does. All you need to do to start this business is get a hold of some basic tools and some practice. You can help anyone with household repairs, like your friends and family. While this job may seem easy, and it is, but there are also safety concerns related to it, as anything can go wrong while doing repairs. So if you don't know how to fix a certain problem, don't accept the contract. For big repairs, you can easily be paid up to $1,500 and more. Number 4. Car rental business. Car renting is a very profitable and easy business. Although it requires a huge amount of investment to start a big car rental business, you don't always have to start big. You can buy just one vehicle or even put your own personal vehicle up for rent. You can put your own vehicles up for rent at popular platforms like Turo, Hire Car, and Haggerty Drive Share. A good category of vehicles to put up for rent would be limos and supercars. Many people require these types of vehicles for some purposes, but don't have the money to afford these vehicles. That is the point where they would look for a limo or a supercar to rent. With a big car rental business, you can easily earn thousands of dollars. It is an extremely easy source of passive income. Number 5. Auto repairing and reselling. Whenever you're walking down the street, you will find a broken vehicle in a backyard or a junkyard. But did you know you can make money through repairing those as well? This method is very simple and straightforward if you have knowledge about all the components of a vehicle. If you're able to identify the defect in the scrap vehicle, chances are you will also know how to fix the problem. If you're successful, you'll definitely be paid a massive reward for selling the repaired vehicle, and the buyer won't even know it was repaired in the first place. This method is very profitable, but you also need to have knowledge about automobiles to consider this option. Number 6. Real estate. Everyone knows about it, yet not many consider this option, considering the massive rewards it promises. Real estate is also not a complicated business to consider. To run a real estate business, you'll need to be attractive with your promotions and manage your own properties well until a customer decides to take a tour of the house. For that, it is essential to have conversational skills. If you are successful in dealing the house, you've got a massive and easy paycheck to grab. Number 7. Warehouse and storage. Have you ever looked at a company's products and wondered where they store all these enormous quantities of products? Well, the answer is they don't. A third party stores these goods. That's right. Time and space are two of the factors that most companies are lacking, and without them, their business will go bankrupt. That is why instead of managing their own products, they offer them to someone else to store them. You can run such a business too if you can manage such an amount of warehouse space. In this video, we've discussed 7 businesses where you can make a large amount of money every day, but don't expect to be getting paid such an amount at the start of your business. You'll need to put in hard work, time, and dedication into your business to achieve that goal. You'll have to plan the business, secure startup financing, comply with legal requirements, and then finally, you can open your business. Building your business towards success is not an easy task, but it is a task that is worth doing. So that's it for now. If you would like to see more of these videos, then please consider subscribing to our channel as it also supports us, and we'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.